How do you find the time and money to train? We're going to find out next. Training your troops has always been important, but with vehicle technology growing ever sophisticated, it's even more critical today. It is always a balance of three things: the time commitment for training that can take employees away from their daily tasks, the cost of training, and the ever-changing repair standards. There are a ton of resources out there for training, many of them online, so make sure you have a computer at each of your shops that employees can use if necessary. Also, take advantage of the training programs your vendors offer. If you don't know if they offer any, ask. Chances are they do. Budget the time and money for training. Forecast to spend a certain percentage of your sales on training each year. Provide training for all roles in your facilities, from customer service representative to estimator to technician to manager. Let employees know that they're welcome to take training in other areas of interest to help them grow. For new employees, make sure training is at least monthly until they're up to speed for their position. Seasoned veterans can train semi-annually. Review repair updates and other training needs with your team during daily and weekly production meetings. In your workflow forecast for each week, budget downtime hours so employees can participate in online classes or work with mentors for hands-on coaching. Keep track of employee certifications and what new classes the techs have to take yearly. Let the manager know when classes need to be taken. With OEM certifications and DRP programs, being able to document your team members' training is very important. Remember, investing in training and helping employees grow is critical to retaining them and keeping them motivated to produce the highest quality work. With the competition for talent today, it is much more efficient to train and retain your team than have to hire and retrain new people. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.